difficult to pick the next big thing among the more than 18,000 crypto assets now available. Here, nevertheless, we've introduced you to the top 10 cryptocurrencies expected to see significant growth in 2022. It goes over each one and explains why it's the greatest cryptocurrency to invest in right now. Do your best not to miss out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Crypto World. Then, let's not waste any more time and get down to the video. Following a steep decline that saw it fall below $19,000 on Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin staged a strong comeback on Friday, rising above $21,000. Still, some experts predict September could be a rough month for the most popular and most expensive cryptocurrency. The stock market, which Bitcoin and the crypto market has increasingly followed in recent months, has been stifled by economic difficulties in the US and overseas. According to Martin Hiesboeck, Uphold's head of blockchain and crypto research, one reason Bitcoin continues to see rallies within the broader downward trend is that every move down is immediately met with large orders of Bitcoin, primarily from big wallet addresses, which are likely institutional investors. That is to say, financial institutions are the primary buyers of Bitcoin, while individual investors are holding back. Many investors are anxious the macroeconomic outlook won't improve anytime soon, so they sell every price increase. Hiesboeck adds, meanwhile, institutional investors and clever traders have concluded that Bitcoin has found support and is buying. It's a turning point that it hasn't fallen drastically during the past few weeks as we processed some truly horrible news. Extra short-term volatility in the crypto and stock markets is being driven by a number of macroeconomic issues, such as rising inflation, geopolitical events, and interest rates. Recent months have seen the cryptocurrency market follow the stock market, making it even more sensitive to macroeconomic shifts. Bitcoin's high point of the year so far remained in the opening days of January, when it nearly surpassed $48,000 on January 2. Since its record high above $68,000 on November 10, Bitcoin has dropped in value by about 70%. While Bitcoin's price has undergone many large decreases since November, its new highs in 2021 and current price are still outstanding performance, considering its humble beginnings and a price below $10,000 as recently as July 2020. Ethereum, the second most widely used cryptocurrency, also hit a new all-time high in November, when its price climbed past $4,800. While both Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen fluctuations since their respective peaks, many industry watchers still anticipate Bitcoin's price to rise beyond $100,000. These swings illustrate a constant about Bitcoin. The currency remains an extremely risky and speculative investment. The first cryptocurrency hit a record high in the middle of April, and then promptly dropped half its value, falling to roughly $30,000 by the middle of July. Likewise, Bitcoin's price fell below $35,000 again this month, not long after hitting a new all-time high in November. Considering this uncertainty, what steps should crypto investors take? According to the professionals we consulted, nada. Because of the crypto's past volatility, this rise shouldn't be taken as evidence of a sustainable trend reversal. The price of Bitcoin could either continue to rise or collapse. Experts agree that long-term cryptocurrency investors will have to continue weathering significant price swings in the years to come. Information for potential investors. For investors, the continued volatility of cryptocurrencies is a given. Experts agree that crypto shouldn't account for more than 5% of your portfolio. Humphrey Yang, the host of the personal finance podcast Humphrey Talks, previously told Next Advisor, "I know these things are incredibly unpredictable. Like some days they may go down 80%. But if you think Bitcoin has potential in the long run, you should look at it. What you just did was brilliant. You shouldn't let a rapid surge in the price of cryptocurrency affect your long-term investing strategy any more than a price reduction should affect your decision to acquire. Not buying additional cryptocurrency because its price is going up is even more critical. Before placing any extra money into a speculative asset like Bitcoin, be sure all of your other financial bases are covered, from retirement funds to emergency savings. The recent surge in Bitcoin's value is likewise not unprecedented. Investiva creator Kiana Daniel says, while in the long run, Bitcoin's price has generally gone up, we encounter a lot of volatility along the way. When deciding how much cryptocurrency to buy, let's look at what 5 experts say. Investors should keep holding and ignore the volatility, just like Daniel, who claims she isn't jumping on the hype. The best thing you can do, regardless of whether crypto prices are going up or down, is to ignore them entirely. Just like with any other type of long-term investing account, you can set it and forget it. If you let your feelings get the best of you, you might sell at the wrong time or make the incorrect choice, warns Yang. You're worrying too much about it, which isn't a good way to handle things. Nearly 20,000 different types of digital assets might be mind-boggling, and they are only waiting for the next crypto boom to occur. Our group of crypto researchers and investors has studied a wide range of initiatives. Okay, let's have a look. Zcash ZEC. The cryptocurrency community places a high value on privacy, making 2020 a promising year for privacy-centric coins. For this reason, McCall has chosen Zcash, a leading privacy currency, as one of his best altcoin investments for 2020. The Zcash cryptocurrency was created solely to capitalize on the market's surging demand for privacy-focused tokens. Simply put, the earliest forms of cryptocurrency were founded on the principle of decentralization. Professor William Kong from Cornell University argues that existing currency valuation models do not quite take into consideration decentralization, a potentially distinguishing feature of cryptocurrencies. Now that cryptocurrencies are becoming more widely adopted and showing signs of longevity, it's time for another defining characteristic to emerge: privacy. One of the most debated features of cryptocurrencies and their use in everyday financial transactions is their ability to protect users' anonymity. Zcash's recent transition into private mobile transactions makes it a perfect candidate to outperform as the need for privacy in the cryptocurrency market increases. Ripple XRP. Ripple is a popular altcoin that could see significant increases in 2020. Ripple is a startup that uses blockchain technology to facilitate international money transfers for its customers, who include financial institutions, payment processors, cryptocurrency exchanges, and large corporations. Therefore, Ripple is the backbone of international cryptocurrency transactions. Banks and other institutions of various kinds are joining Ripple's growing network as cryptocurrency adoption becomes more widespread. As of late, the National Bank of Egypt has joined forces with the digital currency exchange Ripple. The growing popularity and need for cryptocurrencies will encourage more banks to work with Ripple next year. As it does, so is the value of XRP. Basic Attention Token, BAT. Basic Attention Token is one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on in 2020 because of its potential for rapid growth. A basic understanding of BAT's primary concept is not hard to grasp. Because of this misalignment of interests, the current model for digital advertising is flawed. They're perpendicular to one another. To put it another way, commercial interests demand that users view ads, but user interests lean towards skipping them. The goal of BAT is to equalize user and advertiser incentives in the digital advertising ecosystem by rearranging the current incentive structure. Brave users can now be financially rewarded to watch commercials by receiving basic attention tokens for doing so. The ultimate aim is more advertising exposure, which in turn increases product sales and brand recognition for participating businesses. This is a very astute method of doing business. This clever strategy for rewarding users to watch adverts should also gain popularity in 2020 when cryptocurrencies become more popular with mainstream consumers. The BAT price should increase as a result. Chainlink, Link. Matt McCall predicts that Chainlink, currently one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, will continue to be in high demand for the foreseeable future. Back in early January, when Chainlink was trading at $2.09, Matt included it in his ultimate crypto portfolio. As of right now, one can buy Chainlink for $3.87, which is an increase of 85.03% over the past 5 months. That 85% gain over the past 5 months followed a 450% gain in 2019. It's safe to say that Chainlink has been extremely popular. The fundamentals are improving. Therefore, I expect the temperature to stay high for the foreseeable future. Smart contracts, which Chainlink uses blockchain technology to develop, are essentially self-executing contracts that can be carried out decentralized. However, smart contracts have been sluggish to gain traction in the business world because of the crucial role that data plays in their execution and the fact that there is currently no dependable method for connecting external data with a smart contract. Will watching this video teach you anything about investing? Tell us in the space provided below. As for me, I'm calling it a day. We hope the video was entertaining. We can't do this without our fans, so please subscribe to our channel to see more of our incredible videos.